think it's the Druids MCC have their toy run today. I think it's a toy run. Don't quote me on it, but they've some run in Carlow today. I doubt if I'm going to see him because I'm on the back roads and stuff like that, but it'd be deadly if I seen him, and I wish him luck with it as well. Let's have a little stroll in around. Sure, Bonnie will be alright there. Let's have a look. When I'm here, I'll light a candle. Oh, you're alright, go ahead. You're alright. Sure. Let's stop in. Yeah. Something over there. So, next time over here we see what that is. No, Roller Social Scheme. Don't worry about that. The way John Patrick Brennan Ballinor in memory of their parents. Relatives. Wow. It's really cool. Such a beautiful area, isn't it? Wow. Peace. Peace and tranquility. Right, girls and gals, guys and gals, we're out the gap. What a beautiful little place. Road Adventures is fantastic. I enjoy the break from it, but I enjoy going back to it. The amount of cool places you find that you would never ever go near otherwise is mind blowing. Get onto it, Facebook page, Road Adventures. Alright, let's go.